Okay, it's a logic board. It's supposed to be a 2CI logic board, but I don't think it is. It's a 2VX, but I'll look it up. It's obviously been battery bombed here. Some of the traces there don't look the best. There's a chip missing right there. It's already had some sort of repair work there. There's something here that's very sticky too. There's probably a lot of flux there. It's probably been repaired.
If there's a chip missing and the battery holder is missing, it's not looking good. There's another chip that's broken there too.
I think I might have wasted a lot of money on this, to be honest. But I thought maybe it could be repairable. I don't know. Alright, you live and learn. Learn not to get dead logic boards from eBay.